Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Yes, welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this darling hair trimmer. For me, I say it's a magic clip trimmer, with the model number DL1079. Alright, so stay tuned. So here we are. It's I don't know, really fast hair trimmer, really fast, with a 7,400 or 500 RPM. Got 1,200 milliamp battery with 3 watts, and got 2 hours charging time and 4 hours operating time. So not ears on the body. So let's open it up, man. So really, somehow I would have liked if maybe Wall brings out something like this, for Magic Clip, it will be a really good combo for Magic Clip, So it's a very beautiful hair trimmer, and you can easily rest your thumb here, which is really good, like Magic Clip, it's really good combo with a Magic Clip, Got 3 watts. They would have make it 5 watts or something like that. Okay. Made in China, and the blade doesn't have a logo. Yeah, Darling never puts logo on their blade. The power button, it's on the side, and I got 2-speed also. Got USB Type-C charger. Okay, and the grooves that I like, it's a really small one. She's good. And the blade, you cannot zero gap it. And I don't have a Wall TY blade with me. I would have tested, but I was testing Monster Clippers blade. Monster Clippers blade fits, but it's a little bit too loud. You hear that? It's a little bit too loud. So now let's see what it got for us more inside. Okay, well, this one it's out. Got 3 guards, 3 guards, and a little brush, charging cable, USB Type-C, it's good, and the manual, so let's hear it. For speed, it is fast. You hear that? Very fast. if a T-wide blade fits on this, it will be really a perfect hair trimmer, you know. So I don't know if maybe here is like wall whereby you can pull out. I don't know, it doesn't pull out. So let's try this place. And as you can see, you cannot zero gap it. See that? But I was testing it on my arms and it's a little bit scratchy. Okay. Okay. It's good. Okay. Okay, this thing here, right here, is pushing this thing, you know. Okay. See that? I'm not round. Well, let's see later. Okay. So this place. Okay, let's go. No. Okay. 3.7 volts, 1400 milliamp battery. Wait. Here, where was it written? It was written somewhere. Here it's written 1200. And here 1400. It's okay, it's good then. Okay. So the plastic is not a strong one, and I feared what I'm afraid of, maybe when you use it more, here will be broken. Here will tear apart. Maybe with the tension spring, you know. I don't know. Okay, what's written here? See that? It's a 360 with a 3.7 volt. Okay. So what I did now, I put this cam follower on one of my blade. Then I use the stock steel blade also, but the cutter blade I just put one of my blades, you know, and put this white cam follower so it works. So yeah, it works, so it's good. So it works. So this really looks like combo, right? The color is not really the same, you know, as you can see, but it's okay.